Hello everyone, my name is Arunesh Oja and today I have Honor 9 Lite with me. So I am using this device for 4 months and now I will give you a quick review that how was the performance of the device and how is the device now after using it for 4 months. So let's have a look at the software. So I am getting proper update from the company. So in the software department the performance is good. You will get all the updates of security patch as well. So now you can see here the display is quite good, and at the back side of the device you will find a lot of fingerprint smudges, which is the problem of the device, I will say. And since it is having glass body, it's uh, it's natural, it will happen with every glass body devices. You can see the bottom of the device is scratch free, and at the left side you can see there is no scratch at all. You can also see the top side of the device. So it's not clean from every side. So build quality of the device is good, even though it has used glass and plastic. So now have a look at the interface of the device. So performance of the touch is as good as new. The performance is very smooth, I would say. I haven't found any problem, any touch issue in the device in these 4 months. So overall I'll say the build quality and the software is very nice. So now I would like to show you cameras of the device. So you can see here the cameras are also as good as new. You can see the image in the video. So it is capturing a very decent image as it was capturing in the beginning when I purchased it. So you will not find any kind of scratch on the camera lenses as well. So now I would like to show you some samples from back camera as well. Okay, so you can see here the quality of the image is as good as new. I haven't found any glitch in the camera, so lenses are as clean as new. You will hardly find any scratch on the device. But to be very clear, I am using this in a nice way. I am not a rough user. So you only have to care in your mind that you will put it in the smooth surface, not on a rough surface like an office table. It's quite good, but avoid the uh, surfaces made up of a rough quality material like cement and all. So you'll not find any scratch if you will use it in a nice way, in a decent way. So overall I'll say build quality is very nice. If you will handle it with the care, you will not find any issue with the build quality. And in the software department it is quite good. So overall I'll say, even though after a long time, now it's quite old, but I will say it's value for money as of now as well. So thanks for watching the video. Arunesh Oja signing off. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.